નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 3 of chapter 5, isn't it? And what is the name of the chapter? Look into this. Does it look the same? And of standard 5th mathematics. First of all, let me tell you, or let me ask you, are you enjoying these activities or not? In the last part, we discussed about the mirror half or mirror halves. Okay, so let me explain once again what is mirror halves. Suppose this is my right hand, this is my left hand, and this right hand will cover the left hand completely, isn't it? So, and that to be very exactly, it will cover very exactly. So this hand is a mirror half of this hand, and if you will keep a mirror over here, if you keep this mirror over here, then you will be able to see the this hand, okay, in this mirror, and this in this mirror you will look this hand, means exactly this hand. Why? Because this hand will look like in the mirror like this hand. So this hand is a mirror half of this one. Okay. And in the last part, second thing I asked you, what it was? I asked you to prepare 15 shapes, which I show you, and you must have prepared this hand. Okay. So now let's discuss which shape are divided into two mirror halves by the dotted line. चलो, अभी total 15 shapes are there. That is why I already write down 15 numbers. Okay. Now we are going to see all these shapes. Okay. And from the dotted line, whether it divided into two mirror halves or not from the dotted line, let's try to understand. See the first shape. This is the first shape, okay, and in which you can see there is a dotted line over here, okay. But in this shape, can you see it is there is a shades are over there. See, यहाँ पे shade है. Can you see this shade over here? This is a shade over here. There is a shade. So exactly, see, this shade will cover each other. But as there is a shade, so this shade will not cover. Here there is no shade. यहाँ पे shade है. यहाँ पे नीचे shade नहीं है. Isn't it? Otherwise, this shape covers this other shape, other part from this dotted line. This part covers this part very exactly. But as there is a shade over here, but here there is no shade in the other part. That is why this is not a mirror half. Okay. So in first one, keep a pencil with you. Keep a pencil with you, and in your textbook, with the help of pencil, somewhere over there, see, in the first part, it is not both the part from the dotted line are exactly mirror halves. Okay. Now let's see the second. Here you can see this is second one. Okay. This is the second one, and here in between there is a half. Okay. So from if I bend this from the dotted line, okay, from the dotted line, if I bend this from the half, I can say, then see this one is not covered by this part. Okay, this part is not covered by this part. So from this dotted line, that two parts do not cover each other. So in the second part, this second set is also not a mirror help. Okay. Now let's see third one. This is the third one. Look into your textbook. Look into your textbook. This third one now is not exactly from the middle. In this leaf, there is a dotted line. You can see there is a dotted line. But in this one, see, this lower part is something more than this upper part. So in your textbook also you can see. Look into your textbook. This third shape of this leaf. Do you find? Let me show you. See here. It is somewhere over here. And in that you can see these two parts are not exactly the same. Can you see? These both are not same. From the middle exactly, this dotted line is not passing through the exactly center of this leaf. Okay, so this is also not a mirror helps. This third shape is not a mirror helps. So in the third also, it is not a mirror helps of each other. Now let's see fourth one. This is fourth one. Can you see this is a shaded part? See, look into that. See, there is a shade over here. Can you see in your textbook? There is a shade, and if there is a shade, shaded parts are there, then it is not a mirror half. Okay, it is not a mirror halves of each other. This part, these two parts. From this, if I bend also, but in this one, what happens? This is a shaded part. Over here, it is not shaded part. That is why this is not a mirror halves of each other. Okay. So in 4 also you will. No, it is not a mirror halves. Now see, there is a fifth one. This is the fifth one. In the center also one of the star shape is there, but I did not draw that star shape. But outline is like a hexagon, and if I bend it from the center, okay, if I bend it from the center, from the dotted line, here there is a dotted line is there, it is with pencil, then this part is exactly covers the other one. Can you see? This part covers exactly the other one. That is why this fifth one is a mirror helps. So here you will, fifth one is a mirror helps. Now let's see the sixth one. The sixth one is a butterfly. Okay. And this butterfly, see, you can see there is a dotted line over here. And if I bend it, then these two halves cover each other. It covers exactly each other. Okay. And that is why this sixth one is a mirror halves. So here we will do mirror halves. Okay. Now let's go for 7. This is a toy car like shape, okay, and in between there is a dotted line. If I bend this, then you can see the half part will, this half part covers this part exactly. Okay, so this is a mirror helps. This is a mirror help. So in 7.1, it is a mirror helps. Okay. Then 8th one. Look into this 8th part. 8th shape. In between there is a dotted line over here, and if I bend this, then that rectangle part, this upper part covers this lower part exactly. So in 8th, it is mirror helps. Then after, let's see once again ninth one. But in this one, you can see in the ninth there is a dotted line from this way. Okay, there is a dotted line, but over here somewhere there is a dotted line. And if I cover this one like this, then you can see I have, but this part is not covered. This part is not covered. That is why this ninth one is not a mirror here. Okay, so in ninth we will go for cross. Then after 10th one. In the 10th, you can see here there is a red color. Here there is a green color. Once again, green and red is there. And here there is a dotted line. So if I cover this, then this green will cover, this red will cover green. Hai? So it is not a mirror house. Why? Because here there is a red color. Here there is a green color. So it does not match with each other, isn't it? So this 10th part is not a mirror help of each other. So in the 10th, we'll go for, see color also should be the same. Okay, in the mirror you will see the same color or not. So color also should be the same. That is why this is not a mirror help. Let's see the next one. That is 11th. 11th one is there. Here you can see there is a dotted line. Okay, so if I bend this from over here, then you can see this line will not cover this line. So it shape wise it covers each other. How? Shape wise. But drawing wise, does not cover each other. This line over here, but this line goes somewhere over here. So this is not a mirror helps. Okay. So in 11, this is not a mirror helps. Then after, there is a 12th one. You can see in the 12th, there is a triangle. Here there is a green color. You must have seen there is a green color over here, and all this part is a red part. Okay, but here there is a green color, triangle is there, here there is a dotted line. If I bend this from this one, then what will happen? See, there is no triangle over here, there is no green color over here. So this is not a exact mirror helps. So this part, this 12 part is not a mirror helps. Now let's see 13. See, in the 13th one, there is a fish. There is a fish in the 13th one. And there is a dotted line from over here. Okay, you can see dotted line from here. In the 13th one. Look into your textbook. And if I bend this from here, then you can see it will cover, these parts will cover each other. Okay, so that this fish number 13 is a mirror helps. So in the 13, let me go for right mark. Now in this 14th one, can you see that 14th one? In which here somewhere over there is a dotted line, and if I bend from this two part will not cover each other, isn't it? So this 14th one is not a mirror helps. Now the 15th one. 15th one is a circle. The 15th one is a circle in which there is a shape like, I am not able to draw this exactly, but this is the shape like something like this. Okay, so you can see in that it is exactly mirror helps. The 15th part is exactly mirror helps of each other. Okay, and that is why in 15 you will go for right mark. 15th is mirror helps. So in this way, we come to know what are mirror helps and how to find out the mirror helps. Okay. In the next part, we will discuss this activity. And if possible, draw this drawing in a big page. Okay. Try to draw this drawing in a big page so that we can perform this activity exactly, and keep a mirror with you. You will keep a mirror with you and draw this shape, and in the next part we will discuss this page. Okay. So by this time I am ending this part, and I hope you must have enjoyed this activity and you must have come to know what is mirror helps. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.